it's your baby girl Evie and welcome to my channel. So guys, today we're going to be talking about Carotone Soap. So guys, before we before we conclude the video, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos. It's Carotone cream. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm even going to somehow talk about Carotone cream. Guys, if you guys can, okay, I'll come to that. Let me just talk about the soap. This soap, I would advise that when you want to use Carotone cream and Carotone soap, use it along with the cream. You know, I did a video previously about Carotone cream. When you want to use it, mix it with coconut oil, yeah, then use it with the soap, and the combination makes the skin brighter. And using it so your skin becomes brighter just in like 3 weeks. Yeah, in 3 weeks. So that it has sun protection. Is that it cleans the skin of impurities, especially the elbow and the knee. You know, the knee and the elbow, they are made of stronger being hard skin, so it helps you scrub it. If your elbow and your knee, they are dark, you can use this. So once you use this, it start clean and becomes bright. Yeah, so removes dark spots, and it's affordable, guys, and it's everywhere. Yes, you can use this product and you can get nice skin, but ensure you use the cream with coconut oil. Yes, in fact, any cream you are using, most times use it with coconut oil. I always mix my cream with coconut oil. So the combination with the cream and the soap, that's Carotone cream and soap, your skin becomes brighter. Yeah, using them differently, I don't really advise that, but if you're going to use the Carotone cream, use it with the Carotone soap. Yes, guys. Then guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. I always put better skincare routines weekly, or even sometimes in a week more than, because now I'm fluent. Yeah, then please guys, like the video, comment. I want to know what you guys think about this video. Then guys, watch all my videos. Thank you. Bye.